Vande Mataram students, today we will be starting with the worksheet of two merchants. Okay, so first we will be doing the reading comprehension. Let us read the reading comprehension. Diaries are the great way to keep a track of the past, analyze the present, and think about the future. You can talk to your diary and tell it everything, any celebrations, disaster. A diary is a record of all a special event and occasions in your life, arranged by date. It is an expression of one's deepest self, your thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Since and since it is not written for publication, you can write just what comes to your mind. You can add drawing or stick some photographs in the memory of the event. Try and write truthful and read what you have written. Writing in your diary is similar to writing a personal letter because reading it can be healing process. It can provide solutions to your problem and it reflects a strong sense of self. In a diary entry, the day, date, and time have to be mentioned. The entry then begins with a salutation like dear diary. The person writing the diary has to sign off with this, with his or her name. Now let us solve the questions. How does writing a diary help us? Now here I have written the answer, but the answer is here. The diary is a great way to keep ourselves, to keep a track of past, analyze the present and think about the future. See, I have written the same answer here. So from year to year. Now, what has the diary writing been compared to? Now, what it is being compared to? So from here only we have to find the answer. So the answer is writing in your diary is similar to writing a personal letter. Now let us take a new page. Okay. So what are the contents of the diary? Now this answer is also there in your paragraph. All the answers are there in your paragraph. See, the answer is here. From here. In a diary entry, the date, day, time have to mention in the entry that begins with the salutation dear diary. So your answer starts from here and here. Writing the diary has to sign off with his or her name. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of innermost? Now, innermost is deepest. If you read the paragraph nicely, the answer is there. Curing is healing. Now, let us do the meanings. Ghee is a clarified butter. This is there in your textbook. You can copy the meaning from there. And the sentence is my mother melted a ghee in a jar. Now here you can write any sentence. Jar, clay container with a wide opening at the top. Now this is also there in your textbook. You can find and you can write the answer. Now this is also you have to make a sentence from the jar. So I have made my mother stored pickle in a jar. You can write any other sentence as well. Mohar, a coin usually gold used in olden days. Now this is a gold coin used in olden days. Now what happened? Here I have made a sentence like Shahjahan gave gold mohar to his courtiers. You can write any other sentence you want. Mount, old unit of weight. Here my mother, I have written a sentence. My mother requested me to bring half mound of ghee. Here also you can write any other sentence. Now complete the sentence. Now Birbal was known for his keen intelligence, fair-mindedness and proximity to the emperor. Now this sentence is there in your textbook. So if you read the textbook nicely, this answer is there. It is on the first page of the chapter. All lies, your lordship, all lies. Even this answer is there in your textbook. I think somewhere in 43 and this is 45. I thought Ramchand was my friend. I have also helped him many times. Now my memory must be playing tricks on me. Now this answer is also there in your textbook. So you can copy or you can complete the sentence searching it from your notebook. Your Honor, please forgive me. Now answer in brief. Birbal wanted to test the honesty of both the merchants. What did he do to test them? Now what happened? The Birbal wanted to know. No. So the question is, the Birbal wanted to know the test the honesty. Now he wants to know who is honest and who is not honest. So the Birbal put a gold coin in that he sent in each jar. In each put a gold coin in each jar that he had sent to the merchant without telling him about it, as he wanted to test the what would they do with the coin. Now here the what he has done, the first line is says the Birbal put a gold coin in each jar. Now he has put a gold coin in each jar because he want to know who is telling the truth. Let us go to the second question. How was the truth eventually revealed? Now how he came to know about the truth. Jawal Prasad told Birbal that the jar of the ghee only contained ghee and nothing else. On this, the Birbal sent for Jawal Prasad's son. The boy admitted that his father has given him the gold coin from the jar of ghee. Now here the boy has admitted, that means his son has admitted that his father has given him a gold coin. Now here, read the extract from the story and answer the following question. Yes, I remember I gave you a mohur, but it did not come out of the any jar. One of my customer gave it to me. Now from this sentence, the questions are based. The following questions are based on this sentence. Now from which lesson the lines are taken? As we are doing the same chapter, we know. But in exam, you should know from where this line has been taken. These lines are taken from the lesson The Two Merchants. Who said this word? Jawal Prasad said these words. Write the plural noun of the following extract. Now, what is a plural in this? If you read this extract, only one plural is there. This is customers. So customers will come here. Now this is up to you how many two coins you have to draw of two different countries. Okay. Now let's start with the homework section. This you have to do it on your own. Rumors or report of certain doubt or truth. Sentence, there are many rumors that they are making a new film. Ribak speak angrily. The merchant Ribak his son. Now complete the following the same way. Don't rebuke son. Your son, he is an honest lad and he will make a better merchant than you. Second, if such a dishonest man can still have an honest son, then God be praised. There is still a hope of humanity. Correct? Read the following extract from the story and answer the following questions. Now you have to read this extract. Your son is telling the truth, Jawal Prasad. I put the gold mohur in the jar myself to see what would you do with it. Who said this word? Now Birbal. Now Birbal has put this down. Now Birbal said these words to Jawal Prasad. Your son is telling the truth. Your son is telling the truth. Now your, what is this your? What does it mean this your? Your is Jawal Prasad. Now let us turn the page. Only this is left. Okay, learn and write. Now answer the following question. Why did Ramchandran not have any proof of the transaction with the Jawal Prasad? Now transaction, merchant and trusted. Ramchand did not have any proof of the transaction because Jawal Prasad was a fellow merchant and a friend. Now because he has not taken any because he thought that Jawal Prasad is his friend, so he has not taken any proof or of the transaction that he will return his money. What did the Jawal Prasad do when he read Ramchand's written statement? Jawal Prasad read the written statement of Ramchand and said it is all lie. He told that it is all lies. But Ramchandran did get some money by unfair means. He said that Ramchand did get it from by some unfair means and his business is not doing well. How? Now let us go to the second one. How did the two merchants differ in their actions after eating the ghee? Now after eating the ghee, how was the reaction? Ramchand returned the gold coin to the Birbal while Jawal Prasad gave it the coin to the son. Now these were the difference between two of them. Why do you think the Jawal Prasad returned less money to Birbal? Now we need to know why Jawal Prasad returned the less money to Birbal.